Hello friends, how are you all? Today, I ventured into the woods to observe and photograph various species of animals, including insects, birds, rodents, and other wildlife. Initially, I was hesitant to go because of my fear of snakes and potentially poisonous creatures. However, once I stepped into the woods, the experience turned out to be extraordinary. Being surrounded by nature, observing life in its purest form, and witnessing how these creatures interact with their environment was truly refreshing. It was a reminder of how diverse and fascinating the natural world is. Here are some of the species I encountered today, captured in these pictures. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.